Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the security and privacy option and select it, and here tap on location services. And right here we can enable and disable location services if we want to. To disable them, simply tap on the switch to turn it off, and to enable them, tap on the switch to turn them on. So enable or disable the location services, and once you're done, press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.